Tired of being invisible? Weak jawline, puffy face, bad style. What if I told you the difference between average and model tier is a system? In the next 5 minutes, I will give you the exact blueprint to build a look that commands respect and attraction. Stop leaving your appearance to chance. Most men operate on genetic autopilot. They are completely unaware of the levers they can pull to radically transform their facial structure and overall presence. The model look isn't magic. It's the result of systematically controlling 3 critical variables: facial definition, visual harmony, and perceived status. Let's break down the system. Number 1. Facial definition. Defined jawline and sharp cheekbones are universal markers of high testosterone and low body fat. This signals genetic fitness. Your first step is to lower your body fat percentage. Below 15% is the target. This is non-negotiable. Second, eliminate facial puffiness. Drastically reduce your sodium intake. And drink at least 3 liters of water per day. This will flush out water retention and reveal the bone structure underneath. Finally, practice mewing. But you must do it correctly. Press the entire surface of your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth. Apply gentle, consistent pressure. This promotes proper facial posture and forward growth over time. What to avoid? Sugary drinks and processed foods. They cause inflammation and bloating, destroying your definition. Number 2. Visual harmony, the art of proportions. The human eye is hardwired to find symmetry attractive. It signals health and robust development. Your job is to create the illusion of perfect symmetry. Start with your hairstyle. You must find a style that balances your face shape. A round face needs height on top. A long face needs more width on the sides. This is critical. Next, groom your eyebrows. They frame the most important feature of your face, your eyes. Pluck the stray hairs between your brows and gently clean up the area below the arch. Do not overdo it. The goal is a clean, natural shape. Also, develop your neck in traps. Thicker neck creates a powerful base for your head, making your jaw appear wider by comparison. Trendy, extreme hairstyles that don't suit your face. A buzz cut on a round face is a tactical mistake. Number 3. Perceived status, the aura of power. Traction is not just about bone structure. It's about the subconscious message your appearance sends. You must project health, competence, and a hint of dominance. Clear skin is paramount. It is the number 1 signal of health and vitality. Your routine should be simple: a gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and sunscreen every single day. Next, develop your hunter eyes. This is about reducing upper eyelid exposure and having a neutral to positive canthal tilt. Finally, master your wardrobe. The fit is everything. Perfectly fitted simple white t-shirt and dark jeans looks infinitely better than an ill-fitting designer shirt. Stick to neutral colors. Let the fit do the talking. Avoid looking tired. Prioritize your sleep. Dark circles under your eyes signal poor health and instantly lower your perceived status. Stop hoping for a better look. Start building one. Definition, harmony, and status. This is the system. It's not about luck, it's about disciplined execution. If you are serious about this transformation, subscribe now.